Welcome back to my channel, Rise Against the Machine, where we make a new cocktail from the back porch every week. And this week is a special week because it's a Category 4 hurricane out here, and we're making hurricanes. Welcome back to my channel, Rise Against the Machine, where we make a new cocktail every week. And today is a very special cocktail because it is August 29th, 2021, and Hurricane Ida just made landfall a few hours ago in New Orleans as a Category 4 hurricane. I'm sure you can probably hear the weather a little bit. It is raining, it is windy, the gusts are picking up a little bit, and what better time than now to make a hurricane drink. So we just lost power, we're out of power, so why not make a cocktail, right? I would say it's about the perfect time to start a cocktail. So let me show you how to make a hurricane in a hurricane. And you can probably tell, compared to my other videos, the lighting in this one sucks because I don't have power. I don't have my ring light, so I have a battery powered light that I'm using to light all of this. Well, let's make a hurricane. Let's go. Alright, so what you'll need for a hurricane is light rum, you'll need dark rum, you'll need orange juice, then passion fruit juice, or I think some people might use grapefruit juice. I like this Island Punch. Tropicana makes it. It's got passion fruit, it's got pineapple, it's got a couple of different things in it, but it's a pre-made Tropicana drink. It's great for breakfast as well. And you'll need grenadine, you'll need simple syrup. So let's get to rocking and rolling. We'll start with our shaker glass, and we'll start with the rum. Let's go. All right, 2 ounces of the dark rum, 2 ounces of your light rum. I'm using some cheap Margaritaville rum. So that's 4 ounces of your liquor. What you're gonna wanna do next is get your orange juice. You're gonna want an ounce of OJ. There you go, 1 ounce of OJ. We're gonna do 1 ounce of the Island Punch. One ounce of the Island Punch. And you want to get a lime, and you want about a ½ ounce of lime, which is usually about a half of a lime. So we're going to squeeze a half a lime in there. Well, that wind's picking up good. How many videos are you going to find on YouTube showing you how to make a hurricane in a major hurricane? None. You're not going to find many. None or many. I don't know. You're probably not going to find much. Alright, so now we want to switch over to our simple syrup. You just want about a ½ ounce of simple syrup. There's a lot of sweetness already in here with the orange and the orange juice and the tropical juice, but you want about a ½ ounce of your simple syrup. And then, where's my bar spoon? You just do a bar spoon of grenadine. Give it a nice little red color. Just a bar spoon of grenadine. Cap back on there, and that's it. That is a hurricane. Let's put some ice in our shaker. Let's get this bad boy shook up. Ooh, yeah, there it is. Man, that's a big gust. I'll drink to that. Ooh, nice and cold. Got that shook up. Get some ice in there. Gonna garnish with a big old slice of orange. Get our strainer. Let's pour that bad boy. Look at that. Ooh. Perfection. It's a good looking drink. See if it tastes just as good. That is a huge orange slice. and that's a good drink. Cheers. Stay safe.
Took it calm down just when he wanted to come up there.
Yeah. Frying up shrimp by candlelight. Cool.
I don't think you're gonna have to worry about being too hot. At least not during the summer.
Hold up.